beautiful. I'm gonna put it in the box. Wait, it's a Sunday. Yeah, we put it in the box and then we'll check in a few days. Re-queen it. There's most likely a queen there, but we're gonna put a queen just to be safe. These are baby nukes that we made. I'm gonna take a honey and a brood and then we're gonna put it in the box for the swarm. Okay, they're already working up. We're gonna check this frame. I'm trying to be careful. I already got stung like 3 times today. This is honey. Honey baby. Okay. Shake that. Just so the queen isn't on it. No queen. Do we need a brood? No brood. I'll check in the middle. Okay. Oh, I found a capped brood, but the queen is on it. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's the beautiful queen. I'm gonna catch her and put her back in her hive. Come here, baby. Got her. Yeah. Okay, I got capped brood, which is even better than getting open brood. She's working. Okay, just gonna put an empty frame here, but we want to centralize the honey and the brood. So I'm just gonna put these more towards the middle. Yeah. I really should be using my hive tool now. Okay. Okay, got that one. Frame here. Oops, this one's too not good. Okay, that's good. I'm gonna put this on top. I'm recording on my phone, y'all. Bear with me. Oh, it did. Put the lid back on. Put the feed back on. Okay, now I've got 1 frame of honey and 1 frame of food. I'm trying to get sting again. Here, put it in. It's slipping.
Which one?
Yeah. Okay. So shake it first and then smoke.
It's hard for me, you know.
Yeah, sorry. I'm sorry for you.
You can lift it higher?
Hold on. Okay. This. Go.
Oh, the fall bed.
Smoke. Okay.
Oh.
You should put upside down.
Yeah, but we gotta put a next box on it. Okay. Come. If they want to stay, they stay. If they don't want to, that's their business.
Okay, smoke and shake.
What's this one?
This usually happens with a swarm. Whenever, oh, smoke. Whenever you like shake it, they would go right back. So you just use the smoker, shake it some more. Yes, baby. See there, they're going right back. We'll check back tomorrow and see if they stayed. Okay. It left here and it went there.
What if the queen there?
We'll find out. Okay, today's Monday. I'm gonna check our little swarm. Okay, there's no bees on the trees. Let's check this, baby. Oh, yes. Majority of them stayed in. Perfect. They stayed.
Where's the bottom?
Nice.
So.
Okay, there's another swarm. Excuse me.
Shake it right here.
Another swarm, y'all.
It might be the same beast there.
I have no idea. What are we gonna do? I don't know, it's different bees or it's the same bees from here.
Because I noticed how more bees. I noticed I don't have that much bees no more.
This is tricky. Good luck. What if the queen was right there? Because they balled up.
She's someplace there.
Whenever they ball up like that, there's a queen most of the time.
There she is.
See?
Maybe the same queen.
I'm going to get a cage so we can put it in that. Wait, I'm going to see. Focus.
Hurry up, open that thing.
Okay. Hair is so tight.
I don't know, maybe the first one went.
Well, if this box did have a queen, someone's gonna die. Either the queen that we caged or the one that was already in. Tuesday. Yep.
Yeah. Your hand, move your hand.
Hey, baby. We didn't put frames on the top.
I don't remember.
But did we?
I don't remember.
Hold up.
Oh, yeah.
We did? Oh.
Remember the one?
Oh, yeah, I got excited. Okay.
You did?
I don't know. We'll check.
I don't remember.
I think we did. I don't know. I thought we didn't. I was going to be like, oh, yeah, look how fast they work.
You put honey in it?
No.
Check the bottom.
I'm not trying to get stung. Come on. Look. Let's centralize that a bit. Oop. Oh, she's working there. There she is.
Okay, let's sit down.
Look at this. Look at this.
I want 200 to put on top.
Beautiful. Look at this, eggs. I mean, I don't know if y'all can see it. Look at that. She is working. You heard? Working, hunty. Okay, put it down.
Put 2 from, yeah, we can do on top.